Hey, sir, I'm Officer Elsie Grove Police. Reason for stop is expired registration.
Is that right?
Yeah. Can you step out of the car for me?
Get out of the car.
Yes, sir.
Look, let me tell you something, partner. I ain't getting out of this car for you. I don't care who you are or who you bring. Now, you can't make me get out, period. Got me?
64. Send another unit.
Who you gonna bring? Yeah, bro, ain't no...
Hey, man, just step out of the car, man.
It ain't gonna do you no good. Go ahead and bring the other car.
Hey, my man, go get up out the car.
Yep, not a problem. Not a problem. Oh, yep, here, I'll go ahead and... Here, let me go. You want me to... Hey, bro, hey, I'll let you carry me to jail. Okay, good, red.